standard. Got a little bit of zip and alright, we're in some landing flaps here, or takeoff flaps, just to slow her down a bit. Doesn't fly too much different with those floats on, guys. I'm finding that she likes to bounce though, don't she? She's a bouncer. The rudder's distinctive here. Yeah. That's fucking awesome. Absolutely capable of pulling you out of fucked up shit. I love this airplane. This is shit hot. I don't have winter gloves on. I got a pair of rubber gloves on just to kind of keep the wind from freezing the shit out of them. What a fucking joy. What an absolute fucking joy. I'm gonna have to put the skis on the Frankentimber, I'm thinking, guys. I'm gonna have to have the Frankentimber out here in the snow. If it warms up a little bit more. It's supposed to get warmer the rest of this week, so we'll see. But I had to get out and fly something. It's just been too damn long since I've flown fucking anything, and it's just ripping me up. Oh! Meanwhile, back at the farm. She's definitely a bouncer there. She'll bounce a bit on you. They're not careful. Holy fuck. Alright. Oh, I forgot I had safe on. That's why I was overcorrecting. Thank God for snow, guys. Oh, that's my battery alarm. Gotta pay attention to that. What a fun frickin' airplane. Yeah? And one little short little up and out. Yeah, I know. I suffer from that too. One more flight. But we're just going to make a little zip around the pattern here, and we're going to set her right down in the field. There she is. There's my 5-minute timer. Let's bring her in. Absolutely a blast. An absolute blast. What a blast. I think I have one more battery charge, but my finger's freezing. I have to put my heavy gloves on. I can't feel anything with the heavy gloves on. Alright, guys. Twatter in the skis if you aren't making use of them in the wintertime. You should be. This is a blast, an absolute blast. Alright guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.